All right, it's Thursday. We're going to start with rhyme recognition. Pack back. Pack and back rhyme. Cheese, please. Cheese and please rhyme. Rain, so. Rain and so do not rhyme. On this. No. Not hot. Yep, those are rhymers. Onset fluency beginning sounds. Home, hill, ha. Jam, jaw. Ja. Kick, cost. Ka. Quail, quilt. Qua. To talk. Ta. Good. Okay, we're going to blend our phonemes. Ha, a, hey. Your turn. S, a, say. D, a, day. W, a, way. P, a, pay. All of those rhyme. They all have a at the ending. Okay, we're going to isolate those medial sounds, the middle sound. H, am, a. W, l, f. S, ick, I. N, odd, ah. D, k, Very good. If you were at school, it would be lunchtime. Okay, we're going to segment. Get your choppers out. Go, go, oh. Your turn. Low, o, oh. No. Oh, I got that backwards. Bow, b, o. Row, o. Good job. Okay, we're going to add a phoneme. We're going to add it at the beginning. So we have E, add h at the beginning to make he. We have A, add O at the beginning to make lay. We have U, add t at the beginning to make two. We have I, add p at the beginning to make pie. We have O, add O at the beginning to make low. Good. Now we're going to delete a phoneme. We have the word go without g. What's left? O. We have the word high without h. What's left? I. We have the word day without d. What's left? A. We have the word you without y. What's left? Oo. We have the word see without s. What's left? E. Good job. Almost done today. We're going to substitute our phonemes, take one part away and put in a different part. We have the word lie, change ul to t. What's the word? Tie. We have the word tie, we change t to h. What's the word? High. We have the word high, change h to b. What's the word? By. We have the word buy. Change b to g. What's the word? Guy. All right. And our poem, repeat after me. Roses are red. Violets are blue. Sugar is sweet. And so are you. Okay, see if you can say that all by yourself. Now you know a cute little poem you can put in your mom and dad's Valentine's card. See you tomorrow. Tomorrow's Friday.